My name is Ashleigh Fender. I've been working here for Elite for about a year. I'm 25 years old. My role here is to do the scanning. If we have customers that come in and they want scanning of the documents, because we have storage out the back, so sometimes they'll want some of the stuff they have stored out the back to be scanned and sent off to them. I really enjoy it. I was a bit anxious when I first started, because obviously I haven't been in work for ages, and it was nice that I could that I had the Engage Change placement here. I quite enjoy the challenge of making sure that we keep it on track. Everyone's really friendly. They're very understanding if you have any issues. I was going through loads of employment projects with social services for years. This has been the most successful one and the one that I had the most help with. Here, there were a lot more hands-on with me. They were making sure everything's all right. If I had any issues, I would go and speak to someone. So it was a lot more comfortable working with the Engage Change people. Time management, that was always a big thing for me. I was very bad at managing time, but since working here, my time management is a lot better. It's like we have to keep to a time schedule with our contracts, making sure they're all on time, and also like even though it's not much, it's still like leadership. Because when I was working in the office downstairs, I was speaking to Richard and Lawrence and organising them around doing certificates of destruction and collection receipts for the customers when the vans go out, and working down in the scanning room. I have to make sure Tony and Tom are filling out the paperwork they should be filling out, make sure they're doing the boxes they should be doing. So I think that the biggest things I've got is time management and leadership, really. But recently we've had a lot of interest for the scanning. It's nice to see and be a part of seeing the scanning growing. In the future, I'd absolutely love to see the scanning build to a bigger team, and I'd love to be one of the people who leads the scanning team.